Alright, you ready?
Yes.
See if I remember how to play.
Ooh, it's like a haunted mansion. You're a dog?
No.
I didn't know they let you be dogs now. Can you let go of me? Let me have a talk with you, buddy, over here.
I'm trying to walk this way, sir.
Yeah, I'm just gonna have a talk with you about holding on to people. Alright.
Nope.
You fool. Gotta get in here. This is where you gotta go.
Door is hard to open.
Up. Oh, little parkour. Alright, check this out. Alright, alright. Get up. Don't. Come on, man. Alright, alright. Get off. Stop it. Stop. Let me just. You're up. I can't make it. There's an axe up here. This is a spooky horror level. I can open this door. Oh no, I guess I can't.
Yeah, that's what I was
Here,
saying.
help me. Let's do it together.
Okay. No, it doesn't work.
Oh, right there. Alright, let's move this box.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I'm just trying to do my job, sir.
What's that job?
Yep.
Ouch. Where are you going with that, sir? Can't burn that.
This is my home. I'll thank you to leave me and my things alone. Hey.
I'm a talking dog. I am an anomaly of nature. You will respect that.
You're right.
Yes.
I can't get out. Help me. Come back, dog.
Yeah, I'll help you, sure.
Where are you? And I'm gonna lock you in. Dang it. Wait, go back inside. I think there's one more thing we had to do inside.
Like what?
Just go inside and I'll tell you. And give me this board. Alright, get inside real quick. Aww, we're inside. Oh wait, the door's open. See you, loser.
Like on me. Oh, dog. What? Oh,
I own you. Get in
you
there.
don't.
What if we can use this? My body is so loose. I barely have control over it.
You said you're my owner?
Why?
You said you own me?
Why do you ask?
I just want to see who owns who.
I'm not gonna let you own me, buddy.
You sure about that?
Give me that.
Give me
You give me that right now. You don't threaten your owner's life. You give me that right now.
Give me that.
Alright, you can have it.
Alright. Yay. I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Oh, I see what I'm supposed to do. Ready?
I think that's what I'm supposed to do.
Bastard, get up.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
I'm doing it.
No, not you. You're just a dog. You couldn't be doing it. It's definitely me.
That's right. That's what I thought.
Oh, put it back
Yeah, I
up.
did it.
Gah.
You bastard.
Yeah. I'm the best. Oh my gosh. Alright. Got a checkpoint. Oh, hey, buddy.
Oh, we gotta find some coal.
There's nothing even up here. What am I supposed to do? This way is a dead end.
Oh, I see.
There's rocks on the other end. I think we have to go around.
Yeah.
Are you on the other side?
Yeah.
Good dog. Good boy. Doing exactly what your master tells you.
You're not my master.
You're not gonna get any dog food if you keep saying things like that.
I don't need dog food.
You do, because you're a dog, so.
Well, any food I eat is dog food then, by definition.
The food you eat is dog food, because I feed you dog food.
You don't feed me. I don't live with you.
As
I
your
don't know you.
master, as your master, I
I've never met
do.
you before.
Alright, I got the coal. Are you in the way? What's stopping me? Alright, we got it right where we need to. I'll see you later. Here, give me this thing. What are you doing? We don't even need to be on the tracks. We just pull it. Here, dog, put this wagon up on that level. Pass me some coal.
No need.
No need. Don't you ever say that to me. Don't forget who your owner is. No, come back here. That's fine, I'll just cut that part out. Get out of there, you dumb dog. It's lit, let's go. What are you doing? It's a bad dog. Bad dog. Here, look at this. We need a key. Key. Oh, I know where to get fire. You wouldn't know about it because you're just a dumb dog, but I know exactly where to get fire. Give me that fire.
Got me.
That's my chance. Oh no! I'm constantly fighting this dumb dog. Stupid dog, you're always impeding my progress. I'm just trying to light this fire.
Yeah, we need some metal now.
Who needs metal? We got the warm fire to sit by.
You're just sitting in the fire.
Shut up, you dumb dog. Alright. Alright. Yeah. Oh no! Whoa.
There's an anvil down there. I probably need to.
I got some rocks. Oh, hey.
Look. I got it. Get some rocks for you.
Yeah, put it down on by the thing. I don't know that that's what we're supposed to do, but that's what I'm doing. I'm so uncoordinated, I almost left the rock up here and fell down there.
Did I do anything?
What? You opened this. You opened this area.
Oh. We were supposed to throw him in here where I'm standing.
Where are you standing? Oh, to lift up the... then you lift up the gate and you get to this area. Naturally, I am ahead of the stupid dog, for my intellect is far
I opened the
superior.
door for you.
Shut up! Get away from me. No, don't crawl over me, you dumb dog. Whoa! Oh no. Dog, please save me. Come up here. Save me. Alright, I'm letting go. Yep. Yep. Yeah.
There you go.
Good boy.
You're welcome.
Can you come save me again?
Save you again?
Yeah. Did you fall? Oh no.
No, where are you? Did you fall?
No, I'm right here. Thank you. Look at me. I'm gonna fall. Whoa!
Oh, you're fine.
Man, I don't remember this hard of platforming in this game. I thought it was more of a puzzle game. What did you find? What does turning this do?
Changes the time on the clock.
That's all we're doing?
Well, I think it will serve a purpose. I think when it strikes midnight, maybe it'll ring the... You know,
Mine's at midnight, isn't it? Which? Oh, that one's the broken one. That one's not. Wait, you're moving both of them. Oh, so if we both... These both affect the two clocks equally. Is this the right way to go to... Yeah, this is the right way. Man, this is hard. This is hard work. It's stuck. You're going the other way. Right there, stop. Ooh!
Maybe we can use that to make a key.
Ah! Shit! I fell all the way down. Don't fall all the way down.
Oh.
I'll leave this up to you. That corner jump is hard. Oh, I just saw you do it.
Is there any lag for you?
No,
Play.
not that I know
Really?
of. Drop her down. Just the key.
No.
Walk forward. Oh. What are all these rocks for? What are all these rocks in my way? I'm gonna put this in, this that I found.
Found it. I did all the work.
You helped, but I did all of the work.
You need a boost?
Stop touching me, dog. It's not the appropriate time.